Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll unbox this trolley bag from American Tourister. See here, American Tourister trolley bag. This I purchased on Flipkart, and I'll tell you all the details and everything once I fully open this trolley bag. Yeah, see here. Yeah, see, this is medium check-in suitcase, which is 67.5 centimeters. This trolley bag with 4 wheels, actually not the 8 wheels, with the combinational lock, blue and blue. Let me just take this out. The packaging is very good. Yes, when I see the first look, it is looking semi-premium. Okay, wow. For looks, this is pretty good. I especially like blue color. That's the reason I purchased this blue color. See here, the design and everything is looking premium, and I'll bring it closer to you. It is flexible and harder also, not like heavy. It is lightweight only. Okay, and this is very strong and even flexible too, strong and flexible too. And the wheel rotation, see here, let me just pull out this telescopic handle and see, right? Okay, for the movement wise, very smooth movement. Okay, let me close this, and this is one handle, and the side also you have one handle. You can carry like this also. And look at the wheels, the thickness of the wheels is pretty fine here. 4 wheels with 360-degree rotation. Okay, and yeah, the design, it is minimal design. See, like the diamond boxes, it's the minimal design, and the branding is Kamiliant. Okay, from American Tourister. See here, maybe I can bring a bit closer to you. Kamiliant by American Tourister. Lock instruction 1 2 3. Okay, lock I'll show you. Quality guarantee, zipper strength test. Okay, these are all the tests which are done on this trolley bag. And remember, this is 67.5. okay, medium sized trolley bag, not the cabin size. This is medium size. So let us look at the interior part of this trolley bag. And here also there is Kamiliant brand, and here also the branding name. So for the first time, let me open this and see here. Initially the lock is set to 000. If you can see, I'll be bringing close up look to you. Yes, maybe 000. Just I need to push this button, right? If it is 000, later you can change the lock. If you want to get the tutorial of how to, you can change the different number other than 0, please do just ask in the comment section, so that I'll respond and I'll do another video on this. So let me just open this. Yes, see here. Okay, there is a strip for holding clothes, and there is one compartment here Usually you can keep some files or some documentation or even clothes or some accessories. Enough space. Okay, enough space. And this, where you can keep some clothes or some shoes, footwear also you can keep. Okay, so just you need to easy tying up. Okay, you just need to tie it up like this, and very fine. Let me just close this, and the zippers are looking decently good. Okay, see here, this is the branding name here. This is the American Tourister, and the strength check here, it's perfectly fine. So just check the rotation. Just I'll try to spin this. The 360-degree rotation you can just see, right? And the telescopic handle, fine. Coming to the weight, it is mentioned like 2.2 kgs and 300 grams, something like that, but I'll keep all the details here. If you do have any other questions, you can just ask in the comments. Yeah, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.